By the sheer grace and mercy of Allah the Almighty and the special prayers of our beloved Khalifa, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad Ayatollah bin Asr al-Aziz, MTA International Kenya Studios, a brand new state-of-the-art studio, has been inaugurated. Inshallah, this studio will open more doors and avenues for MTA to produce more creative and exciting content for our viewers over the world. After the hard work and tireless efforts, the studio is completed in a state whereby it can record programs and encourage all activities of planning and production of various programs. On January 27th of 2024, the Amir and Missionary in Charge Kenya, Maulana Nasir Mahmood Tahir, along with the MTA Africa Markaz representatives, officially opened the studio by cutting the ribbon and leading a silent prayer.